Hey, what's up guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now guys, many of you guys that are watching my videos are on the fence and you're not subscribed. So can you please smash the subscribe button, guys? It's 100% free. It'll take you 2 seconds and you will always get the notifications of my actionable content that's going to help you guys step up your game, okay? Now, in today's video, guys, I want to talk about a trade that me and my students caught that was last night, okay? It was probably like what it is, the #1 coin. If we go over to Deck Screener, show you guys over on Deck Screener, Big Trout, all right? So here's Big Trout. I don't think it's gonna go much higher, we'll see. Not telling you guys to ape into it, but I pretty much sold like right around here, and I alerted my students way down in here, like around 670, something like that. And here's the profits I made, guys. Here's the profits. Don't gotta lie to kick it. 9 Solana, okay? 9 Solana, it's really good money. Most people don't make that in a day, okay? And yeah, we caught this crazy run on this trade, guys. Crazy run. I'll show you guys inside of the members area as well. You know, because a lot of people, they come on YouTube and they just talk, but they're full of shit, right? Scammers, grifters. I'm not. Okay, so you can see right there, I got him down here, got in here. It's saying right here because I got back in and then I got back out. So you can see my P&L actually changed. It actually went down just a tiny little bit compared to over here. When I told everyone about, you know, caught some nice wins in the signals tonight, it was at, you know, 905. Okay, so yeah, this is Katana Strike. Not everyone can actually come into this because maybe they're financially limited or whatever. But let me show you on my Telegram as well. Okay, so this is my sells. You can see right here, bought one buy down in here, spraying the chart red, making massive profits. Okay, and you can see right here, Katana Strike signals. Got 5 people, 5 more coming in. There's only 5 more spots left. All right, and then actually the signal was down here. Yeah, 7.2x. Okay, so I called it at 669,000. Okay. So yeah, very powerful stuff, guys. And you know, if you guys are, you know, sitting on the fence, make sure you subscribe. If this is too much for you guys, because I know a lot of people, they don't even have $1,000 to their name nowadays. I do have a signal service, guys. If you guys want to start catching these runners, but you don't want to break the bank because you don't have a lot of money, you just want something to get started, I do have RunnerBot, and I am doing a $10 test drive, guys. 24 hours, test it out. Start making money with me, and if you like it within 24 hours, I'll send you a link for 90 bucks. Instead of having to pay the 99, you'll just pay 10 bucks to test it, and then 99. This is a very, very legitimate service, and there is also a on X, okay? If you go over on X, if you follow it, let me show you. You guys can follow it. I know you guys, a lot of you guys are just sitting on the fence watching this stuff. But the only way you're gonna make money, guys, is by taking massive action. Massive, consistent action. Okay, that's the only way you're ever gonna get ahead. You're not gonna get ahead by watching free YouTube videos, guys. You really gotta invest in yourself. That's the only way. I mean, I buy courses. I'm always buying courses and learning, and I never stop learning. Let me show you this on the... Okay, so here's RunnerBot, guys. You guys can follow this as well. Okay, make sure to follow this as well. I'm gonna be posting tons and tons of more receipts like this, guys. There's gonna be so many. You know, I've started this, I started a TikTok. You know, there's plenty of channels you guys can follow this, okay? Because if you're not making money, guys, it's a brain dead offer to just come in here for $10 and just test it out, right? See what I'm all about, test it out, you know, take some trades, start making some money. And the thing is, guys, you really don't need to be putting a lot of money into these, okay? Like, you come in here, down here, you put in like $5, right? If you don't have a lot of money, guys, I recommend everyone starting their trades with $5, okay? It doesn't sound like a lot. It doesn't sound like a lot, right? But there was a really cool tweet that I just talked about, and this guy did like 1,000,000x, which is not gonna happen, most people. But I thought this was really cool. Okay, this guy got 1,000,000x or whatever. But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe. Make sure that you follow me over on X. I'm gonna be dropping a lot more alpha. And like I said, guys, you can't make this up. You know, this is my account. I'll refresh it once again. Okay. You can see that's my name, Crypto Ninja. Pretty much 9 Sol right there. Okay. So that's it, guys. On the real deal. Signing off from a tropical bliss. And I will see you guys at the top.